What's up, y'all? It's Jullien from the Multifamily Movement, aka your property brother, aka Mr. Multifamily, and I'm actually in one of my properties here in New Orleans. This one is actually a fix and hold, not a fix and flip, a fix and hold. I am a holder of real estate. I'm not trying to flip it. I haven't found a deal that I want to flip yet, but this one is a fix and hold. And so we're in here doing renovations, and I just want to take you through some of the renovations. So this entire unit, this is a 4-unit building, and first and foremost, we are refinishing all the floors. Those will look polished once they're done. Then we've painted all the walls, okay? And the biggest renovation we're doing, you can see painting is happening here in the hallway right now. This is my shirt. I appreciate you, all right? I appreciate real estate. I help it appreciate, right? This is called forced appreciation. When you're doing renovations like this, literally you put in $100,000 and it actually increases the value of the home by $200,000. So you're putting $1 in, it's actually creating $2 immediately. So new appliances, we just busted out this hole here in the wall. Sometimes it's about what you take away, not what you put into the place, but what you take away. And so we're actually taking away this wall right here, creating this big peekaboo window into the living room, connecting the kitchen and the living room together. We did these nice floors down here. Hexagon, let me see, hexagon, black tile with light grout. And then we're actually redoing the bathroom. It's my squad right here. My squad right here. And then you see the bathroom, the subway tiles being installed, everything's being redone here. So this is what it means to have a return on renovation. Literally, you're putting in a renovation budget of, let's say, $100,000, $50,000, whatever it is. It doesn't matter how big the renovation is. It's whether or not you're actually able to double your money in terms of the value, the new value of the home, the after renovation value. So these are strategic decisions that you have to make once you get the keys, right? I call it ROR, return on renovation. This is a really important metric. Most people don't teach it. I think I actually made up that particular term, but if I didn't, it's a shout out to whoever did. But you want to have return on renovation. Anything that you do once you have the keys, you want to make sure that it has a return. Of course, you want to make sure the deal itself, the property itself, has a return. But every little thing that you do once you get the keys, you want to make sure that it has a return too. And especially when it comes to renovation, you want to make sure that it has at least 100% ROI. So if you're putting in a bathroom for $10,000, you want to make sure that that's going to increase the property value by $20,000. If you're redoing the floors for $5,000, you want to make sure that that's going to increase the property value by $10,000. All right. So if you want to learn how to do this, go to multifamilymasterplan.com. Again, that's multifamilymasterplan.com. I'll show you how to finance, find, and finalize multifamily real estate deals. Teach this webinar occasionally, so go sign up for the next one. It'll be available soon, and they're all live. Okay, I teach them live because I want to be there to answer all of your questions. Okay, again, that's multifamilymasterplan.com. All right, gotta go back and get back to this project management. I actually love being hands-on. I love building my team. I got a team that's strong here in New Orleans, and we call each other brothers and sisters. Actually, I don't have any besides my business partner in there. I don't have any sisters on the team, so I need some sister contractors out there. Where they at? All right, much love, y'all. Talk to you soon. Peace.